Alright, we got the SSL1200 SD Lanch diesel 15 horsepower mini skid steer. Here's your controls. Little cup holder. Here's your platform to stand on. Here's all your connections and hookups. Comes with this nice sized bucket. About a 43-inch bucket. Nice machine. What I like about it, the compartment here has a lot of room to work. So you can easily get to everything. I believe it's a 3-pump hydraulic system. Alright, we're going to give you a quick demonstration. Alright, let's see. It's going to turn it on. Turns right on. Nice and quiet. Up and down. Tilt forward and back. Tilt forward. Alright, those controls work. Honk the horn for us. Can you turn the light on? Alright, everything seems to be working. Go forward and back for us. Alright, everything works. Goes forward and back, turns on, horn, lights. Come check us out preview day, Fast Bid Auctions.